Good morning and welcome back, or I want to say I am back finally. Last year has been a lot of ups and downs, and the downs kind of got to me, and then I didn't have any motivation to make any videos, or just in general just didn't want to show up for any social media. But this year I don't want the downs to get me anymore. I am gonna carry the grief with me, learning to live with it. So yeah, so let's start this year strong. I am super excited. It's 1st January. We all have holiday. Aiden also has holiday, so we woke up a little bit late today, but doing the same routine, then adding some new things to it. And we have been having flu for the past few days. Everybody started with Aiden, but everybody got it. And Mayank's mom dad are visiting, so they are here, but they will be leaving this month. They came here on September, and yeah, so we just have been having some family time and all of those things. Mara is not with us, as you guys already know, but some of you, if you don't know, or if you are new to my channel, we lost Marvel last year. You can go see some of the videos. I don't want to repeat all those things again. And then I do have one last vacation video with Marvel that every time I sit down to edit, I end up crying, and then I don't finish it and I don't post it. But I will finish it so you guys can see it. And then yeah, Marvel is not with us, but his memory, his love is with us everywhere in the house. So yeah, I'm getting Aiden ready for the day. Today's plan is to go for some grocery shopping so that I can grocery shop every single like I can grocery shop all year. Basically my thinking is everything that you do on 1st of January, you do that the whole year. So the plan is to have fun, grocery shop, work hard, everything. So yeah, Aiden, are you done? Okay, he's pooping right now. But anyways, let's start the day. Yeah, baby. Okay, so let's start the day. Keep your listing down. You wanna say hi to the camera? Say hi.
Let's say happy.
Okay, happy. Like that?
Baby slime. Slime.
Which one?
Got it, G.
So today is listen to your wife's day, or say yes. What was it?
Whatever she wants. Get her whatever she wants. There.
Oh, so today is no, huh? Let's hold on.
Give your wife whatever she wants. There.
Oh, give your wife. Today is give your wife whatever she wants day.
मैंने but ये आज देखा है.
No, I showed it to you yesterday.
I saw it today.
No.
So they will become tomorrow now.
I made sure to show it to him yesterday, so today he can listen to it.
This is what it says.
Yeah.
This is what she sent me yesterday. Somebody commented, I'll send this every day to my husband.
So this is basically the turmeric, ginger and amla cubes.
Forget that. I just found out this post was from December 7, 2025. So which means the wife day was December 8th.
See, that's the problem. Like you cannot just say yes.
Yesterday I told her that's every day, and she just made, oh, you are being dramatic.
Obviously, because you're not listening, you're not doing that every day. This is this is the turmeric, ginger and amla cubes that I make in the fridge, and then I just add hot water to it in the morning, and then it's like so soothing, and you can drink it all year round. And then we're doing this, and then we'll see what the plan is today. I know I need to go grocery shopping, deliver a sourdough bread, and do a little bit of laundry. I did not do any laundry yesterday because I think it's in the Chinese, you know, they believe that you don't do laundry in the last day because you don't want all the good luck to go away or something like that. So I have a big stack of laundry that I already put, but I also have like bed sheet and stuff that I need to put. Also, the weather is so nice today. So, and we do have some new things that we want to show you. Moyang built the fire pit outside. So we'll give you a tour of that in a little bit, like in the evening when you can see properly. I got done with my bath, getting ready for the day. I just did my ice water bath, like for the face. I always have my ice machine here and this red big bowl that I used to do it, and it's like non-negotiable for me. I do it every morning. It makes me feel so good. The blood flowing and the puffin is gone. So what do you want, Aiden? I'm here. So normally I use the Medicube, this cream. This is amazing. I love it. It's the PDRN Pink Collagen Capsule Cream, and this is how it looks from inside. If you guys are like thinking of getting the Medicube, this is amazing. Like these are the capsules. They are very good. But I think last week, I think end of November, I got a phase during my periods where I got so many acnes, and then I am still trying to get rid of those acne marks. So I did read a lot of reviews about the Celimax Pore and Dark Spot Brightening Cream. So I've been using this for a month now, and I think it did help me lighten the acne spots. So I'm still using that. It's a Supergoop sunscreen. And that was the final step. Also, I got this new dresser. I'm gonna show you guys later on. But this light, I honestly thought, like, the dresser is very good, and then the reviews said the light is also enough, but it's not enough. Right now the blinds are open, that's why I feel like it's okay light, but in the evening when the blinds are closed, nope, not happening. I usually take my stuff from here and go to the bathroom and do it, but at least I have a good space to organize my makeup. Yes, baby. Aiden, what's up? Last night we did not party or anything. We did party, but at home. At Nidesh's place, he cooked chicken wings, chicken lollipop, like mushroom, and we took pani puri and baked broccoli, and Mayank made chicken roulade. Just so good. So all the food was so good, but and then we did a bonfire outside. So it was a pretty relaxed celebration, which I love. Like, that is literally what I love. I did not want to go out. I did not want to go to any clubs or anything. Yesterday what we did was the perfect thing for me. And then we were awake until 12. I didn't sleep though, but Lani was awake, and we all saw the ball drop, and we did champagnes, and that's it. And then we all literally went to bed. We all were like waiting to go to bed. But it was fun. Just use the eyelash curler, just curl it. I don't put mascara, but I just curl it a little bit. And this is my daily base, daily perfume, Yara. I love the smell. It's long lasting and I absolutely love it. And then my aura ring that I only take out when I take bath. That's it. I mean, you can wear it when you're taking bath, but I just take it off. And my Apple Watch. And my Apple Watch, I had the Apple Watch Series 3. It was like from 7 years old or something. So Maya gifted me new Apple Watch for our 10th anniversary this year. That was not this year, sorry, last year. That was in December. We did very close-knit family group dinner. That's it. That's what we wanted to do. And I am ready for the day now, waiting for Mayang to get ready, and me, Mayang, and Aiden are gonna go grocery shopping, and that's it. At Grand Asia Market, I wanted some veggies, some Asian stuff, got all of that, and then we also got boba. Let's see. Yum. The sweetness is perfect. And then for Aiden, I got a hot dog bun, and for myself I got something, I forgot the name what it was, but
Boba.
let's try it. It's boba, and yeah, boba, but what was this?
Hot dog bun.
Something scallion
written here.
roasted.
Mom, it's hot dog bun.
Yeah, it's pickled mustard sandwich. So I want to try this.
Mama.
What? Let's try this. It looks very good. It looks like a oh my god.
What is it?
It's pickled mustard, baby. It's very good. You should take a bite. Oh wow. It's savory. It's very, very good. And the crunch. I love it. Wow.
Starting route. Proceed to the route.
There's peanuts and all of that stuff. So
What does it have on it?
peanuts.
Peanuts? I don't like peanuts.
How is it? Very good, right? It's very good.
Alright guys, so we came back home, we dropped off the stuff. We were gonna drop off Aiden too, so he can eat his lunch that Tanya got.
Take out the hot dog.
The hot dog. But mom is having a headache today. I promise she only had grape juice last night, and not the fermented one, just literally the grape juice. But for some reason she's having a headache today, and dad is relaxing as well. So we decided to give him his lunch in the car. So he's gonna eat, and we're gonna go run some more errands.
We're back home. Look at all the groceries finally. Few different stores. We went to Grand Asia, then one of the Indian store, and then Walmart. So this is all everything. So let's put them in the fridge. Got some mint, some pork belly. This is cilantro, bean sprout, tofu for soups. I wanted strawberry. This is the long yard beans. We got tom yum paste for hot pot, and then sushi ginger. We ran out of kimchi, so kimchi it is. This is 1 second, baby. This is sticky rice flour, some cottage cheese, the cereal that we love, firm tofu, and chips, different kinds, sugar, salt, paper plates, cream cheeses, 2 kinds, spicy jalapeno and vegetable garden, and tomatoes to make the viral feta pasta that we haven't eaten in a very long time, and some dried rosemary. And then here, yeah, we got the red cabbage, and this is also called Chinese okra and also called taroi. And then tomatoes and all that stuff. We got some milk and fruits. That's it. So that is what our it's like 3:30 right now, so that's what we did all day today. And I think that's it. Maybe we can
there are some speed walkthrough.
I know. Yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed my comeback video, and I promise, it's gonna keep coming very regularly, and I'll see you guys. We'll see you guys. Yeah, you're gonna say something?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how she knows that I'm gonna say something always. So yes, with this comeback video in the year of 2026, January 1st, we are gonna finally deliver on all of our some of our promised things, such as we haven't showed you our house decor room by room that we promised. It's finally completed. It takes over 6 to 8 months to get things ready, and that was another reason. And then we are also gonna share some life updates of ups and downs that we went through in 2025 towards the last 4 or 5 months, due to all which we also lost our motivation to continue with these videos. So we're gonna give you a lot of updates, so stay tuned for a lot of videos, a lot of travel videos, and a lot of fun things with Aiden.
Alrighty, with that, we will see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, bye!